Introduction. Many people dream of achieving financial freedom, but few know how to go about it. Financial freedom means having enough money to cover your expenses without relying on a paycheck or someone else's income. In this article, we will discuss the fastest way possible to achieve financial freedom in 2023. We'll cover the steps you need to take, the mindset you need to adopt, and the tools you can use to reach your goals. Step 1. Set a clear financial goal. The first step in achieving financial freedom is setting a clear financial goal. You need to know exactly how much money you need to achieve financial freedom. This requires a careful analysis of your expenses and income. Start by creating a budget to determine your current expenses and income. Once you have a clear picture of your current financial situation, you can set a financial goal. Your goal should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, your financial goal could be to save $1 million by the end of 2023. This goal is specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Step 2. Increase your income. Once you have set your financial goal, the next step is to increase your income. There are several ways to increase your income, such as getting a better paying job, starting a side hustle, or investing in the stock market. Getting a better paying job is the easiest way to increase your income. If you have a college degree, you can consider going back to school to get a master's degree or a certification in a high demand field. This will increase your chances of getting a higher paying job. Starting a side hustle is another way to increase your income. You can start a side business, sell products online, or offer freelance services. There are many online platforms, such as Fiverr and Upwork, that allow you to offer your services to clients worldwide. Investing in the stock market is a long-term strategy to increase your income. You can invest in stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or exchange-traded funds, ETFs. Investing in the stock market requires knowledge and experience, so you may want to hire a financial advisor to guide you. Step 3. Reduce your expenses. The third step in achieving financial freedom is reducing your expenses. You need to live below your means and save as much money as possible. This requires discipline and sacrifice, but it's worth it in the long run. Start by tracking your expenses and identifying areas where you can cut back. For example, you can reduce your housing expenses by downsizing to a smaller apartment or moving to a cheaper neighborhood. You can also reduce your transportation expenses by using public transportation or carpooling. You can also reduce your food expenses by cooking at home instead of eating out. Eating at home is not only cheaper but also healthier. You can also reduce your entertainment expenses by finding free or low-cost activities, such as going to the park, watching movies at home, or reading books. Step 4. Pay off your debt. The fourth step in achieving financial freedom is paying off your debt. Debt is a major obstacle to financial freedom because it eats up your income and prevents you from saving money. The sooner you pay off your debt, the sooner you can achieve financial freedom. Start by creating a debt repayment plan. List all your debts, including credit card debt, student loans, car loans, and mortgage. Then, prioritize your debts based on the interest rate and the amount owed. You should focus on paying off the debt with the highest interest rate first. To speed up your debt repayment, you can consider consolidating your debt or transferring your balance to a credit card with a lower interest rate. You can also negotiate with your creditors to lower your interest rate or reduce your debt. Step 5. Build an emergency fund. The fifth step in achieving financial freedom is building an emergency fund. An emergency fund is a savings account that you can use to cover unexpected expenses, such as medical bills, car repairs, or home repairs. Having an emergency fund will prevent you from relying on credit cards or loans to cover these expenses. To build an emergency fund, you should aim to save at least 6 months' worth of expenses. This means if your monthly expenses are $3,000, you should have at least $18,000 in your emergency fund. You can start by setting aside a small amount of money each month and gradually increasing it over time. Step 6. Invest in real estate. The sixth step in achieving financial freedom is investing in real estate. Real estate is a great way to build wealth because it appreciates in value over time. You can invest in real estate in several ways, such as buying rental properties, flipping houses, or investing in real estate investment trusts, REITs. Buying rental properties is a long-term strategy to build wealth. You can buy a property, rent it out, and earn rental income. Over time, the property will appreciate in value, and you can sell it for a profit. Flipping houses is a short-term strategy to make a quick profit. You can buy a rundown property, renovate it, and sell it for a profit. Investing in REITs is a passive way to invest in real estate. REITs are companies that own and manage real estate properties. When you invest in a REIT, you're buying a share of the company, and you earn a dividend based on the rental income generated by the properties. Step 7. Automate your finances. The seventh step in achieving financial freedom is automating your finances. Automating your finances means setting up automatic payments and transfers to save and invest your money. This reduces the risk of forgetting to save or invest your money and ensures that you're consistently making progress towards your financial goals. You can automate your finances by setting up automatic payments for your bills, credit cards, and loans. You can also set up automatic transfers to your savings account and investment accounts. This will help you save and invest your money before you have a chance to spend it. Step 8. Maintain a positive mindset. The final step in achieving financial freedom is maintaining a positive mindset. Building wealth takes time, discipline, and patience. You will encounter setbacks and challenges along the way, but you should remain optimistic and stay focused on your goals. To maintain a positive mindset, surround yourself with positive influences. This includes reading books, listening to podcasts, or attending seminars about personal finance and wealth building. You should also celebrate your successes, no matter how small they may be. Conclusion. Achieving financial freedom in 2023 is possible if you're willing to take the necessary steps and adopt the right mindset. You need to set a clear financial goal, increase your income, reduce your expenses, pay off your debt, build an emergency fund, invest in real estate, automate your finances, and maintain a positive mindset. With these steps, you can achieve financial freedom and live the life you've always dreamed of.